everybody. This is Reagan, your RV traveler's voice, and come to you here on a sunny day, standing here in front of our tow vehicle, Fred, our 2019 Ram 1500 Limited, and just wanted to come to you today and talk a little bit about tow vehicle maintenance. I know we spent a lot of time talking about and giving videos and updates on our RV and how we upgrade it and maintain it and take care of various little maintenance issues, but don't want to forget that we do need to take care of our workhorse, Fred. It gets us where we need to go, pulling Ethel behind us. So today, in today's video, anyway, we're going to show you a couple of maintenance activities. One that we took care of on kind of a between trip period, which we were able to take care of at our home driveway, but also going to show you a little video of some routine maintenance that we have to take care of time to time on the road as well. So stay tuned for both of these videos. We put them together in one go for you. Let us know if you have any questions, comments, any feedback. So stay tuned. You see, Fred's got his hood up behind me, and today's the day for a little bit of preventative maintenance, and as we get ready for our next excursion and adventure of several thousand miles, today we're going to make sure that Fred keeps breathing well. So we're going to change the air filter, and I have an air filter here, STP ESA 9401 for our Ram 1500 5.7 liter V8, and we're going to swap that filter out that we have in there for this one, and I'm sure Fred will be happy. Stay tuned and we'll show you how. It's a pretty simple process to locate the cold air intake for the engine. It's right here underneath this cover, and we basically are going to unscrew a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 there in the back. 6 of these screws that are holding the cover on, and we'll show you what's inside once we take the screws out. And we don't have to take it all the way out. This screw here is, once it's loose, it stays in the cap. So there's one down and 5 more to go. So now that all the screws are loose, it's just a matter of lifting up the cover. And there we go, simple as that. We're going to move it over here to the side. And the filter overall is not too bad until you start looking over on the other side here. This is the intake side, and so it is quite a bit dirty. And when you look in some of these grooves, we'll see a fair amount of debris in there. So we're going to swap it out and put in a brand new filter. By the way, the new filter we're putting in is this STP. We'll put it around on this side where you can get the STP premium air filter. This is a couple of upgrades from the base air filter, and we want to give Fred some optimum performance here, a little enhanced cleaning, enhanced engine performance, enhanced flow of clean air into the engine. So we're going to take it out of the box and we'll compare the two so you can kind of see the difference. And just a comparison, here's the old dirty filter and the new filter, and obvious difference is the color, red, but pay no attention to that. All the fins on the filter are nice and clean here. versus all the dirt and road grime and debris that have been caught in this one. And one thing we want to do is make sure that we've got any stray debris out of here. So we're going to clean a few, got a few little bits of leaves and such down on the bottom of this filter cavity, and we'll get those all cleaned out before we put the new filter in. All right, all clean. Now we're ready to slip the new filter in. Make sure to press it down into the groove, nice and tight. And we're ready to go back, flip the top. It's all in place, all sides. Now, simple as tightening up the screws. And there you have it, all secured. So that wraps it up. Just about a 5-minute job to replace the air filter. And Fred's all happy for our next trip with Ethel. Very soon, we'll be heading out on the road, and we'll be back to you then. Well, even out on the road, Fred needs a little loving. Time to do a little maintenance and repair on Fred. Nothing too major, just these windshield wipers worn out. And about 51,000 miles on the truck, so not too bad. 3 years old. We'll swap them out here while we're here at this lovely campsite here at Hardridge Creek down in southeastern Alabama. And you'll see the problem that we're dealing with here. The windshield wiper blades are starting to come apart. Both of them at about the same time. And this is the passenger side. Basically the same place, wearing out on the end, which is expected. They get plenty of wear and tear while we're on the road. And removal is pretty simple. Just reach up, squeeze in, and slide it out. That's it, pretty simple. Reach up, squeeze, and slide it towards me. New ones, all prepared. Just slide them in, snap in place, snap the cover, all set. And the second one, ready to slide back on, snap in place, snap the cover down, all set. Fred's windshield is happy again. Stay tuned to RV Traveler's Voice. Be sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date on all of our adventures. This is Reagan Terrell, your RV Traveler's Voice, and we'll see you soon.